Alright guys, today we're going to be replacing the side mirror on the 2014 Chevy Sonic. Don't ask me why that looks like that. It's going to be very straightforward and easy. First thing you want to do is pop off this cover. That cover is plastic and is only held in by one plastic retaining clip. It's very simple to take off. Next thing you want to do is undo these two 10mm bolts. Once you get rid of those two top ones, undo this little plastic tab here to release the third one. Get an assistant to help you hold the mirror. Take out that screw. Hopefully it doesn't fall. Let's see if I can grab it. Very nice. All right, Abel, go ahead and pull that mirror toward you. Very nice.
Oh, this is heavy.
It's a little bit heavy?
Yeah,
all right.
It's okay, I got it.
Nice. All right, here we go.
I'm just out of breath.
The last part you just need to do is just put the screws back in place. And that's it. Was it pretty easy?
Yeah, it's actually easy as heck.
All right.